It's time for another review. Hello everyone, thanks once again for tuning into the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Batman XE suit. This is the outfit that he wore in Batman Arkham Origins, the DLC, and this is the outfit that he used to take on Mr. Freeze. I have to say that this particular DLC I did not play. I did play the Arkham Origins game. I did play the other Arkham series games, but I just didn't play this part of it. But when I saw that they were doing the suit, that Hot Toys was doing the suit, I was like, I had to get it, because I do love pretty much a lot of different suits that Batman wears, so I had to pick this up. So as you can see, this is the inside of the box, and this is kind of a blurred effect of what appeared in the game for the Arkham City area. And there we have our suit. I know it's kind of difficult to see because you got all this plastic that's all on it and it's kind of reflecting back. But just so you can see how the thing opens up. So let's go ahead and get this guy out and take a look at the suit. I have to say I'm really excited about getting this one, because I mean this was like a day one pre-order thing for me, because I just love the suit design, and I mean just the same as everybody loves taking a look at, you know, all the different Iron Man suits and stuff like that. This is kind of how I feel about the Batman. I just love seeing him in a bunch of different outfits. And I gotta say, out of all the Batmans that Hot Toys has released, the ones that I usually gravitate towards are the ones that are based off of his appearance in different video games. So that's my main reason for getting that. So let's take a look at this big beefy guy first. Alright, this is kind of how the cape always goes through the bottom part. You know, that's just how they package all of their figures that come with capes and whatnot. So just kind of put them in there. But this guy is he's big, but to me he does not feel heavy. I mean, he does feel like there's some weight to it, but the majority of the suit is plastic, so it does not feel like it's really, you know, heavy. It's still feels pretty light. So I said, but there's your close-up of the guy, which I think absolutely looks fantastic. All of the details in the suit just look phenomenal. I think this is a really cool design. Very good design choice. The only thing that to me, and this is just me, when you're playing the game, this is totally for a video game, because wearing a suit like this and the way you play the game, because I have seen some gameplay of this, and it's like I know it'd be difficult for a person to move in a suit this big, but still it looks pretty cool design. As you can see, the material of the cape is different. So on the outside, this is how the layers look, and on the inside it has like a different felt material, so you can kind of see the difference in the material for the cape. But overall, I think this is a great looking suit. So we'll just stand him there and take a look at some of these accessories that he comes with. Let's get this open, because I do like the way they design the hands. The hands look pretty cool, so I can show you a couple of those. I'm really not going to go through a whole lot of these things, because there are some other videos that already kind of do that. I specifically wanted to pull this out, take a look, and then we'll jump straight into the photos. Those are the big things. That's what I really like. But as far as the design of the hands, that's some pretty cool design of the hands. A lot of really good detail. The detail of this actually looks really similar to like a Iron Man hand, just as far as like the different parts in between the fingers, without, you know, the part that would be lighting up in the center. But still, it's a cool design. I definitely like it. I can tell right now this is not something that's pulled like from an Iron Man thing. This is a separate sculpt. So it's but it still looks really good. The comical thing about this, to me, that's really funny, is how they were saying that this was supposed to be like his free antifreeze batarangs or whatever the case may be, and I mean, they look no different than the batarangs that come with the other Batman series figures. There's nothing special about them. They just gave them a different name. It's like if I wanted to call these thermal batarangs, or if I wanted to call these electric batarangs, they still look exactly the same. There's nothing different about them. They just, they just look the same as the other ones. So, and then you have your grappling gun, which does not come with the extra accessories. However, if you do have the other Batman figures, you can easily just, add the other pieces to it. It's the same gun. There's no, there's nothing different about it. So you can, at this point, if you have the other figures, you can swap them out, and it's not a big thing to change the pieces. It's really no big deal. The other thing that I thought was actually kind of unique, but at the same time, I think it was a waste of time, is you get this piece here, which comes with like stickers and things that you can swap them out. And I didn't see the point in all this. I mean, this is the same type of device that comes with Batgirl, which already has a printed screen on there. So I'm honestly, I'm not going to bother doing this. I did manage to get my hands on another one that came with the Batgirl, so I'm just going to use that instead of trying to use this piece and trying to stick some stickers on it that once you put them on there, you're not going to be constantly taking them on and off. You're not going to do that kind of stuff. So it's like, we'll give you multiple choices, but whatever thing you choose, you're stuck with. And I'm like, nah, I just didn't like that idea. So it would have been nice if they had just, made us in a way to where this whole plastic piece was removable, and you just swap the plastic pieces as opposed to just putting some stickers on. I think that was kind of a cheap little gimmick, but we move on. So it's all right for that. And then this is the other piece that you get for I believe this was the ice cutter piece, which is pretty cool. You can slide it around and use it for various pieces, which we will be using this in our photos. So it's still a cool thing to have. And then obviously these are the other pieces. This is supposed to be the extended version of when he turns it on and he's actually using it. So you have this piece here, and then you have the other piece that's short. So you can basically extend or retract on the two pieces. So those are some nice touches as far as being accurate to the game. So this it's a cool thing to have. This obviously they were showing that they did pay attention to particular things from the game. And then this is the other piece, which we'll also put this together. I have a pretty good idea in mind for the plastic pieces for the diorama base. But there's all your little ice pieces and a display stand for him to stand on. So it's a overall a cool piece. Not really. They give you like one unique accessory, and that's about it. That's about all you get with this thing. And honestly, I'm okay with it. My main thing was the suit design. That's what really grabbed my attention. That's what I like. So let's go ahead and just jump into the photos with this thing. Get some really good shots. Again, I'll take this time now to thank you very much for tuning into the channel. Thank you very much for purchasing the Toytography magazine. Again, I'm still hearing all the good comments from it and all the new issues that are coming out. You guys have totally been participating in that and the Facebook group. So again, I greatly appreciate all of you. And pick up your copy today if you want to learn some more tips about the magazine and about your photography, your toytography, and things like that. So again, I thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.